This is how my Milanesa turned out. And if you want to know how I make it, then stay tuned because you're in the correct zone. Today I will be making Milanesa, and if you like my recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification. Also, I will be making rice and beans for the sides. Now if you want to know how to make rice and beans, comment down below and I will give you the recipe on the next video. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so when you are eating Milanesa, first of all, you can eat it with rice and beans, but you don't have to. You can decide to put salad on the side. You can decide to put potatoes on the side. It doesn't necessarily need to be rice and beans, okay? But for this video, I will choose rice and beans. Okay, so to make Milanesa, you're going to need 3 pounds of breast, chicken breast. You're going to need eggs, only 2 eggs for the batter. You're going to need 1 cup of milk for the batter. And you are going to need butter. 1 stick of butter to cook the chicken breast. You're going to need breadcrumbs. Okay, so you will approximately use like 6 to 7 ounces of breadcrumbs. You're going to need seasoner to season your batter. The seasoning that I will be using is roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Okay, this will be for my batter. I will also use salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. A method to prepare your chicken breast is you're going to tenderize it. The way I tenderize the chicken breast is by hitting on the chicken breast. Once the chicken breast has softened up, then it's ready to be coated with the milk and the egg. Okay, so I'm going to prepare my chicken breast. This is a natural way to tenderize your chicken breast. You will also realize that they come out very, very soft once cooked. Okay, then you get a whisk and you start to mix the egg with the milk. This process is very important because the egg and the milk will act as a glue when you coat your chicken breast with the breadcrumbs. You will melt the butter at very low temperature. Make sure your butter does not get burnt, because if it does get burnt, then it will ruin the flavor of your dish and you will have to start all over. It's a long process, but the end result is worth it. Your dish will taste very buttery and delicious. Deliciously soft. So you approximately will do this for 7 to 10 minutes. At this point, your food should smell very delicious. Once both sides are golden brown, then your food is ready to serve. This is how it turned out. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any other suggestions. I hope you enjoyed this video.